Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have an exciting property to showcase, a brand new, spacious house that's up for quick sale in the heart of Piliyandala. If you're looking for a modern, comfortable, and conveniently located home, this could be the one for you. Let's dive right in. This stunning property sits on 9 perches of land, offering ample space for your family's needs. With 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, there's room for everyone to enjoy their own privacy. The large living and dining areas provide a perfect space for gatherings, while the TV lobby offers a cozy spot for relaxation. Speaking of relaxation, imagine unwinding on not one, but 2 spacious rooftops. These areas provide a panoramic view of the surrounding area, offering a great space for you to enjoy some fresh air or host outdoor activities. Now, let's head to the heart of the home, the kitchen. Equipped with a modern pantry, it's a space that any chef would appreciate. And for those hot days or chilly evenings, rest assured that this house comes with AC and hot water facilities. Parking won't be an issue here, you've got space for 4 vehicles right on the property. Plus, the 2 roller doors provide convenience and security. The house faces not just one, but 2 roads, a 30-feet road on one side and a 20-feet road on the other. And if you're wondering about accessibility, you're just 200 meters away from the main bus road and only 1 kilometer from Kesbawa town. Need to do some shopping or banking? No problem, as supermarkets, banks, and filling stations are all within a kilometer's radius. This property is nestled in a highly residential area, ensuring a serene and safe environment for you and your family. This house is in high demand, so don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Prices are open for discussion with the owners. To learn more and schedule a viewing, give them a call at telephone 07768290078. Trust us, you won't want to let this one slip away. Thank you for joining us today to explore this fantastic property. If you're in the market for a spacious, modern home in a prime location, this could be the one you've been waiting for. Until next time, remember that your dream home might just be a call away.